How does the internet manage to deliver content so quickly? Explore the roles of caching and content delivery networks in making this possible. In this fast-paced digital era, the rate at which we access and disseminate information can be a game changer in various contexts, ranging from casual web surfing to critical online business transactions. In this landscape, technologies such as caching and content delivery networks, or CDNs, are indispensable. Though both are designed to augment the efficiency of content delivery on the web, their operational principles and scales differ. Caching, a widely adopted technique, operates by temporarily storing file copies to alleviate server load and expedite user access to information. It's akin to a library's most requested books system that keeps frequently read text near the counter, thereby reducing everyone's waiting time. CDNs, on the other hand, distribute content across multiple geographical locations, enabling users to access data from the closest point. It's like having several mini-libraries scattered across different areas to better serve local readers. As we probe further into these concepts, we'll draw parallels with everyday scenarios, provide tangible examples to simplify understanding, and delve into why these technologies are crucial for maintaining the fluidity and speed of our online experience. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve deeper into these concepts. So, what exactly is caching? Well, imagine you're in a bustling library. Now, the library has a special system for the most requested books. Instead of having to navigate the labyrinth of shelves every time, they keep copies of these popular titles right at the counter. This way, they can quickly hand you the book you want, saving both time and effort. This, in a nutshell, is what caching does for the internet. Caching is a technique that stores copies of frequently accessed data on a temporary basis. Just like our library scenario, caching reduces the time it takes for data to travel from the server to your device. Instead of having to fetch data from the original server every time, your device can simply retrieve the cached data, which is typically stored in a location that's much closer. This process not only speeds up data retrieval, but also reduces the workload for the original server. It's like having a mini library right in your neighborhood, allowing you to get your favorite book without having to travel all the way to the main library. So, caching essentially creates a shortcut for data delivery, making your online experience smoother and faster. It's like having a fast-track lane in the vast highway of the internet, and who doesn't love a good shortcut, right? Caching, in essence, is like a shortcut for the internet to deliver content to us faster. Now, how do we implement a cache system? Picture a bustling supermarket with shoppers constantly requesting popular items. To meet this demand, the management strategically places these items near the checkout counters for easy access. Similarly, in the realm of web development, a cache system keeps frequently accessed data close at hand. Implementing a cache system involves identifying the data that is frequently requested by users. This could be anything from a web page's HTML to images and other media files. Once identified, this data is stored in a cache, a special storage area that allows for faster retrieval. Just as the supermarket management needs to regularly review and adjust what items are kept near the checkout counters based on shopping trends, maintaining a cache system also requires periodic review. This ensures that the right data is being cached and obsolete or infrequently accessed data is cleared out, making room for new, relevant data. The factors that determine what content is cached can vary. These could include how often a piece of data is accessed, the size of the data, or even specific user preferences. The goal, however, remains the same: to reduce server load and improve the speed of access for users. Properly implemented, a cache system can significantly improve your website's performance. This means faster load times, less bandwidth usage, and a smoother overall user experience. Just like the supermarket shoppers who appreciate not having to trek to the far corners of the store for their favorite items, your website users will appreciate the speed and efficiency that a well-implemented cache system brings to them. Next up, let's talk about content delivery networks, or CDNs. Picture a fleet of delivery trucks, each carrying a copy of the same package. These trucks are strategically distributed all over the city, ready to deliver the package to any address in the shortest time possible. A CDN operates on a similar principle. It's a global network of servers, each holding a copy of your website's content, and these servers are spread across multiple geographical locations. When a user requests your website, the CDN steps in. Instead of fetching content from a single, possibly distant server, the CDN redirects the request to the nearest server in its network. This reduces the physical distance the data needs to travel, leading to faster page load times. CDNs are particularly beneficial for delivering large files, like videos, and for handling high traffic loads. They ensure that your content gets to your users quickly and reliably, no matter where they are in the world. In simple terms, a CDN is a network of servers that work together to deliver web content efficiently to users. Now, you might be wondering, how are caching and CDNs different? Well, let's unravel this puzzle. Caching is all about storing copies of files locally to reduce server load and speed up access for users. It's like a library's most requested books system, keeping popular texts near the counter to cut down on wait times. On the other hand, CDNs distribute content across several geographical locations, akin to having numerous mini-libraries scattered across different areas to cater to local readers. While caching offers immediate short-range benefits, CDNs operate on a larger global scale, ensuring that users, no matter their location, can access data swiftly from their nearest point. Think of it this way: caching is like having your favorite book in your bookshelf, while a CDN is like having multiple copies of that book in libraries around your city. But it's not a competition between these two technologies, it's a partnership. They both work hand in hand to optimize web performance, providing a seamless and speedy online experience. Together, they form the backbone of modern internet infrastructure, ensuring that data is delivered to you as quickly as possible wherever you may be. While they operate differently, both caching and CDNs play crucial roles in delivering web content quickly and efficiently. Now, let's look at some real-world applications of these technologies. Caching is a staple in web development, used to store and quickly retrieve frequently accessed data. For instance, when we revisit a website, caching allows us to load the page faster by retrieving stored data instead of downloading it again. Similarly, content delivery networks are crucial for streaming services like Netflix or YouTube. These services need to deliver high-quality videos to millions of users worldwide. By using a CDN, they can distribute this content efficiently by reducing the physical distance between servers and users, ensuring smooth streaming even during peak times. But the magic really happens when caching and CDNs are used together. An excellent example is dynamic websites, where content changes frequently. Here, caching reduces server load, while CDNs ensure quick content delivery across different locations. This combination optimizes website performance, enhancing user experience by ensuring quick and seamless access to content. In a world where speed is key, understanding and leveraging caching and CDNs can make a significant difference in your digital experience. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video.